God day, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Tantuko TV Vlog. So right now, walking the streets of Asukasa here in Tokyo, and we are right now going to look for lunch. Gonna take out our lunch. Dahil si Mommy at Daddy nagre-rest pa. Kaya yun guys. So yan. Kayo, kaway-kaway. Hello, good morning. Chosan. Chosan, handsome. Hi, Achi.
Hi, kasaymas na.
Yes, guys. Yan, oh. Itong life grocery na to, every 8:30 ng gabi, this is funny. When you arrive at night around 6 or 7, naka-sale na siya, 50% off. Goes around 8:30, 70% off. Pagdating niya ng 9 o'clock, bigla may dadating na isang crew, bigla niya tatatakan lahat. Siguro lumalabas parang yung food nasa 85 pesos, 120 pesos na lang. And these are bento boxes, yung malalaking chicken, sushi, maki, gano'n. And guys, grabe. Nakakatuwa. Makikita mo biglang parang nagdudumugan yung mga tao to buy the food. So, yun yung inaantay dyan. So, yan, yung life grocery. Yan. So, on a Sunday, well, this is how Asakusa looks like. Yan. Dito. Yan. Tapos mayroon tayong pupuntahan, no, na isang sikat rin dito, Don Quixote ang tawag nila. So this is a store where you could see branded bags. At the same time, dami yung tinda kompleto from sa baba, grocery, and yung mga iPhones, mga bags, no, LVs, yan, dun lahat. So right now, hanap na kami ng ating lunch. So yun lang, you can explore a lot here. Ang maganda pa dito sa area na to, hindi masyado crowded, kaya masarap. So enjoy lang. And ano ba, out comparison ito, habang naghahanap sila, what comparison can I share compare sa Disneyland at saka Disney Sea? Simple. Ang nagustuhan ko, ang Disneyland experience ko personally is sobrang daming tao. And then, yun, syempre, normal, the fireworks, yun talaga yung main, niya. Yung parade niya is, yun nga, by land, no? Tapos, yun nga, sobrang crowded. And, yung para you merely can enjoy so much, no? So itong Disney Sea experience naman, ang napansin ko sa kanya, nakakatuwa lang, hindi ganoon kadami tao with this season na pa New Year and Christmas. At the same time, ang maganda sa kanya, hindi na siya crowded. Na-appreciate ko yung mga food, yung popcorn niya first time, yung shrimp, garlic shrimp, tapos yung roast beef, wag kayo magta-try, hindi siya masarap na popcorn. Sausages niya masarap, no? Foods, yung mga pasta niya masarap, no? So yung dinner namin that time was yung pasta. Lahat masarap yung food niya. Yung coffee niya, syempre experience, kasama ko si Daddy sa vlog yan, panoorin nyo. And ano pa ba, yun, mas appreciate ko dahil first time namin nakita na ang parade may kasamang fireworks at the same time nasa water siya. So you could see the video na ipopost namin about that, na with the parade and the fireworks. Kaya guys, hanap muna kami ng lunch, no? Kayo rin mag-lunch na. Happy Sunday everyone. And greetings from here. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, YouTube, IG, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Tantuko. God bless everyone.